Here's Ricky playing with the ruffed grouse in the woods by Grandma's house.
Oh
my God, he's like 6 inches from your head.
I know. He's like...
Oh, I wonder what he's whining about. Don't throw the hat at him. He sounds sad. Alright, we need to get heading here. Oh man, I just want to play with him all day.
Nathan,
I'm still videoing.
come over here.
Walk back this way, Ricky, so he comes back towards us. He follows you. That's the craziest thing I've ever seen.
If he follows us the whole way home.
He might.
Imagine if he walked the whole way home.
Back up towards Nathan, see what he does. Watch my gun. Hey, buddy. Hey, gorgeous.
Oh, I get it. I'm a
What is up with him? Hey, little ruffed grouse. He sounds sad though. He's not like showing aggression unless you flick at him. Hi, buddy. Up.
13,
Yeah. Oh,
he was like
you scared him.
an inch from my hand.
Oh, he does. Oh, poor little guy. Unbelievable.